Hey there everyone, so today I have something pretty cool to show you. This is the Gemmy 3-piece band. I wanted this thing for quite a couple years now, and I'm really glad I have one, but it's in pretty crappy shape. So I got this on Facebook Marketplace for I think it was a good deal. It's like 80 bucks and $20 shipping. And they said Santa doesn't dance and the microphone snapped off, but there's a lot more other problems with it, and I'm not sure it's just I'm not sure if they broke in shipping or not. But see, this penguin has the two broken levers, the front one's broken and also the back. Arms are snapped off. This one's arms in the back of the body fell in the where the leg is. On this one, there's a split gear for the hips, and also both arms are snapped. For Santa, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, so I think this armor is supposed to be posable, but it's kind of out of place. This arm does work though, but I think a gear's kind of stripping out because it keeps making this snapping noise. As you can see, that's where the microphone broke off right there, and they're very dirty. The bases on them for the penguins. Bottom of it. It's gonna need a good cleaning. And also this thing, we need a good cleaning for the fabric too, because it's very dirty. It looks like it's been stored in the garage. Also, this mustache is really dirty too. So for right now, I'm just gonna show a quick demonstration on how it works currently. Let's plug it in. And also the button does not work. It only works on sensors, so yeah, I'm very glad to have this finally. I don't think I mentioned though, but these came from a smoker's home because they smell heavily like smoke. So hopefully when I wash the skin, that smell will come out of them. Alright, so here's the inside of the first penguin I'm repairing. So, I was wrong. So actually, this lever on the back one, it's actually perfectly fine. It just got out of place. And here's the front lever. It's pretty messed up though, but I'm gonna try to repair it the best I can. And here's the skin. I just simply unscrewed these. Well, I'll put something back on to keep it on the base, but I just unscrewed him from the base, took out all the stuffing, and go wash his skin. Alright, so I'm currently inside of the Santa. There's a lot of dirt and this boots and stuff and all over the board. Pretty much everything is gonna need a deep cleaning. But yeah, let's hope it turns out well. Alright, so I opened up the Santa's dancing mech, and it appears that the shaft gear has cracked in many pieces, so hopefully I have a replacement. Alright, so here's Santa after the repairs. So the dancing had a broken 13 or I think 13 or 12 tooth gear. I think it's one of those, but it was brittle and it pretty much shattered in pieces. so that was replaced. This, there wasn't, so there wasn't anything like stripped out in it though, but there was like this one screw holder right here that was like completely snapped off. So what I did was I got like a little like a pin, then I just kind of like bent it on that side. Also, the problem with the arm, so there's like this like this like little circular piece that was missing that like pretty much closes together like the spring inside, so I can like adjust like the pose of the arm. So I just simply replaced it with like a little pulley, and it worked out pretty well. And now I put that back in. Yeah, so it works pretty good.
Hey, now listen up. There's the house with boughs of holly. Tis the season to be jolly. Well, don't we now our gay apparel? From the ancient Yuletide carol. Hey, there's the house with boughs of holly. Tis the season to be jolly. Don't we now our gay apparel? I love it. So the ancient Yuletide carol. Oh, let's start decking them halls. Hey, yeah. Jingle bells, jingle bells, a jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, a jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, yeah, jingle bells, jingle bells, a jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now, jingle bells, whoa, jingle all the way. Yeah. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It was the night before Christmas. Went out to the house. Now the creature was staring even a mile well. Hung by the chimney with care. At home the St. Nicholas soon would be there. Everyone is so now stuck in their beds. While visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled down for a long winter nap. When out on the long meadow road to the center, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Well, what can I wonder if I should appear with a miniature sleigh and a